I'm doing now is I'm prepping my canner. This is my canner body. This is a pressure canner. And here's also my stovetop I'm going to add my lids to sterilize those. My jars are down here, still in the warming rack. They're still on right now to 170 degrees to keep them nice and warm. And what I did, show you here, here is my lid, excuse me. It's upside down, of course, so I wanted to show you the emphasis on the ring. This rubber ring right here that comes out is very important to keep that clean. Very important so you have a nice seal. If you lose your seal, you're basically it's going to just drive you crazy. They do wear out over time. Some people say you can rub a little oil on and keep them lubricated, but me, I just keep it washed and keep it in a nice, cool, dark place, and it doesn't get dry, rotted, or cracked. Also, check this. This is one of your pressure vents. Actually, if I flip this thing over, you'll see it's flush on this side. Excuse me, sorry. It's flush on this side. What happens when it builds up steam and pressure, the pressure will actually build up and this will come up, and that's how you know you have a pressure lock, which is good. So, either way, I'm in the process right now of actually going through the process of setting up the canner and getting it all prepared. Put it to the side. The water that I have in here is regular water. This canner here in particular has marks on the side of the can, which I'm trying to find. Okay, excuse me. They're right down here. You see these little abrasion marks here? Well, there's one down there that marks the water level I need to start with, and plus I also know kind of doing this, I know what level to use. But you see there's water in there. And there's water in this one too as well. And what I do, which a lot of people do, I add white vinegar, distilled white vinegar. It keeps the cloudiness off the jars, and it just helps to keep the water more, I guess, clear. You know, it just helps out. So that much should be good, but that ain't gonna hurt it. And then do the same thing right here. Let's put that in for my lids. You know, I don't usually use a measuring cup or desired or whatever. I just throw it in there. Okay, I'm gonna set that high around by that area there. Now while that's heating up, I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Go ahead and start doing a pre-warmer on this and set this around about there, just to kind of get it to start warming up. And I'm gonna wait for that to start rolling a little bit, and then I'll start adding my lids to it to sanitize. And while that's happening, that'll give me time to actually prep up and actually get ready to the canning process. Because once you get everything in order, it's just one step after the other, one step after the other. So, see you again.